Hi everyone, my name is Kyriakos Tramountanellis and I'm the owner of CYAUSE Audit Services. Our firm is an audit and assurance firm here in Cyprus with 2 offices in Limassol and Nicosia. And of course, we are regulated by the CYAUSE, ACCA, and by our local regulators. The scope of our services over the last 5 to 10 years has been to assist regulated entities with their compliance functions. So whether we are talking about a Cyprus investment firm or a Cyprus fund, we are providing services such as ICARA preparation, capital adequacy reports, internal and external audits, as well as Pillar 3 reports and risk reports. Whatever is the case, we assist our clients with their compliance function. The same applies for Cyprus funds, where we typically perform for them either the external audit or the internal audit. Over the last few years, we have also got involved heavily with the insurance sector, and we are responsible for a number of insurance agents and brokers here in Cyprus, where we have obtained the license for them, and of course we are preparing their accounting, their audit, and any other statutory requirements they have. This also applies for insurance companies, where we are responsible to perform their audits and their compliance functions. So if you are looking in setting up a Cyprus insurance company, a Cyprus insurance broker, agent, a Cyprus investment firm, or even a Cyprus fund, we can assist you with the application. This is something that we've been doing for more than 10, 15 years now. If you have already submitted the application and there are issues, please send them to us. We will review it and of course guide you in order to make your life easier and obtain your license. We are heavily experienced in these sectors. We've been in boards of various investment firms. We've been dealing in the industry, in the back office, in the front office, in the capital adequacy calculations for many years, so we know exactly what's going on. We know what the regulator needs and checks, and of course we have the necessary credentials to perform this work. I'm personally the holder of the Advanced Diploma by CYSEC, of the AML Diploma, besides our Chartered Accountancy role. And as far as insurance companies are concerned, we are already auditing several insurance companies, and I've been working prior to setting my own firm here